Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to know about an interesting topic. I can say that this is an interesting topic. See, suppose if you search for any nature pictures or a good wallpaper, what you get is these things, right? These things you get. What are these things? These are auroras. Auroras. Okay, how they form? Actually, they are not all. Explicitly present in associated with earth, but they form in the reaction between solar winds and earth's atmosphere. Okay, let us see how they form, why different colors are resulting. We'll know today. Okay, let us go into the video class. Okay, first, before understanding this thing, we should know about earth's magnetic field, right? Earth's magnetic field, how it forms. Have you ever thought about that? There is no magnet, how it is forming? I will give the explanation. See, you know, right? Earth's interior at the core, what is that? Core is solid, right? Around it is outer core, this is liquid, and even on that in mantle there is a magma. We normally call it as a asthenosphere, right? It is a liquid semi-solid magma, uh, rotating in around it, right? Which is the reason for plate movement as well, right? Suppose a basic physics, you know, right? Suppose there is any solid metal, okay? As you know, earth is filled with metal, and and in the center of the earth is mostly filled with iron, okay? Iron is the more. Suppose, let it be this be a core of earth. Suppose we know basic physics, right? If any charged particles move around the body, okay, charged particles move around the body, it creates magnetic field. Simple. Magnetic field, right? That is what happening. That is how this magnetic field of earth is producing. Suppose you must have even heard of reversion of magnetic poles, that is shifting. We are hearing in our news, right? Earth's magnetic poles are reversing. That is nothing but changing of their direction. How they change? Suppose this flow of magma, this flow of magma changes because there is no, that is nothing is in our hands, right? It is the movement of magma which decides the magnetic effect on earth. Till now there has been 170 times change in this flow of magma, flow of magma, okay? Then it is giving rise to change in the magnetic poles, right? See, after the formation of earth till now there has been 170 times change of these magnetic poles. From that you can understand how old our earth is. After around thousands of years, even that can change slowly. There is a scientific study, right? People are saying that, scientists are saying that earth's poles are moving slightly towards west. Okay, that is due to the change in the flow of magma. Okay, that is what resulting in magnetic field of earth. Okay, well, how does this magnetic field help? That is we call mother earth, right? From the ancient people used to call mother goddesses. See how earth is protecting us from these disastrous solar winds. You can see, right? Solar winds are coming from sun. If there is no this protection layer, that is magnetic field, whatever the satellites we are placing in the orbit of earth will get destroyed. Okay, that is what happens if there is no, what is, magnetic field. Fine. Suppose, okay, but there no thing in the world is a foolproof, right? Suppose we have recently we have studied about Iran's Iron Dome. Iran Iron Dome will protect from ballistic missiles, but it cannot protect that missile Iran from thousands of missiles. It has some range. If something goes beyond overwhelming, it will it will definitely uh, cannot escape from those missiles. See, even that happens here. But what happens is, see, let us go into the first picture. See, from this picture, what you are able to see, just look at this picture carefully. What is happening? Solar winds are able to move away due to this thing. Okay, that is the way it is protecting. It got a name, that is bow shock. Due to that, there is a moving away of this solar wind from Earth's atmosphere, and we are being protected. But nothing is foolproof. See, suppose from on the top of the this magnetic field, there is some infiltration of particles, right? That particles reacting with nitrogen, oxygen present here, nitrogen, oxygen, mhm, and hydrogen present there will result in these things, auroras. Let us see quite lucidly. Fine. See here. This is the thing. The sun showers the earth with electrically charged particles that collide with the upper layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Here they will hit. The Earth's magnetic field leads those particles towards the two aurora ovals. Those are these things, Aurora borealis and Aurora australis. Okay, the particles collide with oxygen, nitrogen atoms and molecules in the Earth's upper atmosphere. Right? Already I told. Here they are hitting the Earth's atmosphere because here it has been protected by magnetic field, but there is no foolproof, right? Here they are entering and creating this wonderful colors that what we see in our wallpapers, what we call aurora. See how beautiful they are. Then what is the difference between borealis and australis? This is very simple. See, if any aurora forms on north of the earth, northern sphere, that is on northern pole, that is called borealis. And if anything forms in Antarctica region, that is called Australia. Simple, right? Simple thing. Even this thing is associated with space hurricanes as well. Space hurricanes, you must be hearing, right? Even those are associated with the same solar winds. So there is an interesting question you may get in your examination. What is that? Aditya L1. You must have heard about our flagship space program to study the atmosphere of Aditya, right? Aditya, that is sun, right? Because even we are placing number of even our India is has been one of the top space institutions, right? Producing a lot of space satellites, even launching foreign satellites. So we should be careful about these solar winds. So even they are trying to send a probe, that is Aditya L1. What is this L1? This is Lagrangian point where any body can be stable due to equal forces of sun's gravitational force and earth's gravitational force. This is a simple thing. I just why we came near the solar winds, right? That's the reason I'm saying about this Aditya L1. Remember this thing. This is associated with probe of examining sun. Okay, that is what. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click the like button and share my channel. Thank you. All the best.